Grass is good, and it all starts with harvesting these tiny seeds. This is the same field that we saw just a couple months ago that just looked like your lawn at home. Today it looks a lot different than that. Our goal here is to collect the seed, to give you the seed to grow that lawn at home. Where at home you are trying to create that nice turf, and so mowing it just keeps it in the vegetative state for everybody to enjoy. Instead of mowing out here, we let the field grow up into the seed production state. Under normal conditions, when bluegrass is grown just out in the wild, it'll grow up to maturity, it'll dry out, and those seeds will fall to the ground. And then when Mother Nature provides rain, it'll sprout and grow a new plant. We're trying to intervene there a little bit, and we're trying to save as much seed as possible. So instead of that seed growing up and maturing and falling to the ground, we are coming in when it's developed, but we want to take it just soon enough that we can collect it. The swathing process enables us to do that by coming in and laying the seed down where it still holds, where we can come pick it up with a combine without it falling to the ground and losing it. This seed is very delicate and can fall off the plant with the slightest breeze or mechanical agitation. The swathing process is a mechanical process where we come through and mow the grass as close to the ground level as we can. We come through with sickle blades and chop it off, and as gently as we can lay it down so that we're not losing any of that precious seed out of the seed head. It's really important that the timing is right when we're swathing. We're trying to do it when both the seed is mature, but we also do not want it to shatter out. The best timing for this to happen is when a dew occurs, and most of that time is happening at night or early morning. We start our swathing process late at night after the dew sets in. There's just enough moisture in the air that the seed will hold in the seed head and not fall out. And then when we go to combine, we try and do it in the hottest part of the day so that it is easy to separate the seed from the chaff.